In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Watch dictation not working problem. The first solution is make sure to turn on Siri on your Apple Watch. So just press the crown to go to your app library and open settings. In settings, you have to scroll down and find out Siri. Tap on that. And here, tap on listen for. And make sure here you have selected Siri or Hey Siri, or you can just select Hey Siri. Don't select here off. Then go back and then go ahead and check your watch dictation working or not. And the next solution is we have to enable dictation in our settings. So go to app library, open settings. This time you have to scroll down and tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and here tap on dictation. Make sure to turn on dictation first of all, and also enable auto punctuation option, and then go ahead and check your Apple Watch dictation is working or not. And the next solution is we have to check our microphone. So ensure no protective case or debris is obstructing the microphone on your Apple Watch. So you can just rotate your Apple Watch and here we can see a little hole. So basically this is the microphone hole. So make sure no dust is in this hole. You can use your toothbrush or you can use soft something soft to gently clean this microphone hole, and then go ahead and check your dictation working or not. And the next solution is you can just force restart your Apple Watch to fix it. To force restart your Apple Watch, you have to press and hold down both of these crown and the power button at the same time. So don't release your fingers from both of these buttons until the Apple logo appears on your display. That's a force restart, and then check the issue. And the next solution is you can just update your Apple Watch to fix this problem. So go to the app screen and open settings. In settings, tap on general and tap on software update. Here if you see any new update available, then just go ahead and update your Apple Watch, and that's how you can fix the Apple Watch dictation not working problem.